Hello, welcome. I am Renita Dindial, and today I will be taking you through our second lesson in the series, Elements of Writing. Today's lesson is focused on unity, coherence, and transitions when writing well-organized paragraphs and essays. Unity means oneness. A paragraph has unity when all its sentences relate to the topic sentence. An essay has unity when each paragraph relates to the main idea. Example: once upon a time, there was no radio or television. Books were the main form of entertainment at home. A reader had plenty of time in which to absorb a story by Dickens, Conrad, or the Bronte sisters. Times have changed. There are many things which now compete for our attention. In this example, you may notice the unity of time, the unity of place, and the unity of action. You may remember these terms from your English B class. Yes, it's the same thing. Similar to stories, you need to create this sort of unity in your paragraphs and your essays, even though all of them may not be narratives. Coherence. Coherence means the orderly arrangement of ideas. A paragraph is coherent when the topic sentence and supporting details are organized in an easy-to-follow way. An essay is coherent when the paragraphs that develop supporting ideas follow a plan. Coherence gets rid of inconsistencies. How to achieve a coherent paragraph? One of the first things you may want to do in order to achieve a coherent paragraph is to order your sentences. You can use time, spatial order, general to particular, particular to general, or in mathematics, you know these as ascending and descending order. Yes, you may use those as well. Or you may use the order of importance. Secondly, in your paragraphs, you need to use transitional words to show the relationship among the ideas presented. After this or that. On the other hand, later on, the next day, meanwhile, these are just some transitional phrases that you may use. And thirdly, you need to establish relationships by coordinating the unity of time, place, and action when you use these transitional words. Here is an example set out for you. I have placed this table for you to better understand what I mean. In terms of time, when you create a unity of time, it means in your paragraph, you are putting what happens first, what happens second, and the last thing that happened in that particular order of action. You are also coordinating these two with the unity of place. In this example, we see first, this person was at home. What did he do? He answered the phone. Secondly, soon, the person is at school. What is he doing? Collecting worksheets. Let's look at the model. First, John walked across the living room and answered the phone. He was very formal, so I knew it must have been important. A few minutes later, he said he was coming back and he left the house. Soon he was seen at school, uplifting his sister's worksheets. After that, there were no signs of him. We are anxiously awaiting his return. In this example, I'm sure you are anxiously awaiting his return as well. You are probably thinking, what happened to John? Here is an assignment for you. Write a paragraph explaining why garbage should be disposed of in a more responsible manner by persons within your community. Be sure to use the unity of time, place, and action. Be sure to also establish relationships between your sentences by using transitional words. I hope you have fun in doing those paragraphs. Do join us for our next lesson in Elements of Writing. Until next time, goodbye.